Good morning, children. So welcome back to the online session of a mathematics class. So we are discussing about the lesson fractions and decimals. So we are almost completing the fractions part, which is we are doing right now divisions of fractions. So after completion of division of fractions, we will go for the decimals. Okay. So let us overview what we have studied in the last video. So in the last video, I had done the division of fractions. So if it is a division of fractions, there will be three parts. So division of a whole number by a fraction, division of a fraction by a whole number, division of a fraction by a fraction. So these are the three points, or these are the three concepts we are going to discuss in the division of fractions. So in the last video, we have completed the exercise which was belongs to division of a whole number by a fraction and then division of a whole number by a fraction. So those two things we have completed. So in the exercise 2.4, fourth question belongs to division of a fraction by a fraction. Okay, so whether those two fractions may be a proper fraction, may be an improper fraction, may be a mixed fraction, or may be a combination of these three also. Okay, so we will discuss division, that is division of a fraction by a fraction. The first number is also a fraction, the second number is also a fraction. That means division of a fraction by a fraction. Okay, so we will discuss this type of question. So answer for this will be okay. So what we need to do, we should write the first number, fraction as it is. Then we should convert the division operation to a multiplication operation. Then for the second fraction, we should take the what? Reciprocal of the second number. Here the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1, because the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Yeah. Now, this is a multiplication of fraction by a fraction. How to do that? Multiply the numerator and write in the numerator place. Multiply the denominator and write in the denominator place. Here. So 2 into in the denominator 5 into 1. So 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5. So 4 by 5 will be the answer for this. So this is the way of dividing a fraction by a fraction. Okay. So this is about first one. Second one. Four by 9 divided by 2 by 3. 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. So this is also the same type of question like first one. Division of a fraction by a fraction, only the numbers will be different. So this is the homework for you. Okay. So this is third one. Third one. 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. Again similar type of question. So homework for you. Fourth one. 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. Here again it is a division of a fraction by a fraction only, but the first fraction is a mixed fraction. So we will do this. It's also very easy. So whatever the mixed fraction will be there, convert into an improper fraction, then divide with the other fraction. That's it. Then as usual method only. Only thing, wherever they have given the mixed fraction, convert that mixed fraction into an improper fraction. You know that how to convert that, right? So we will convert this. The first fraction will be a mixed fraction, that is 2 3s are plus 1 in the denominator, taking the denominator same, right? So you should retain the second fraction as it is. Okay. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 will become 7. So this is 7 by 3. Then 3 by 5. Correct? So if you simplify the mixed fraction, you will be getting a 7 by 3, which is an improper fraction. Correct? Then division of second fraction is that they are given. Okay. Now write the first fraction as it is. Convert the division operation into a multiplication operation. Then once you are converting into a division operation into a multiplication operation, take the reciprocal of second fraction. Reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. Okay. So this is a multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. This is 7 into 5 is a denominator 3 into 3 is a. So 7 5 is a 35. 3 3 is a 9. So you can convert this into a mixed fraction also. You can divide 35 by 9. So you can convert it. You can write the answer in terms of mixed fraction also. Otherwise 35 by 9 is also fine. Okay. So this is the root of whole one. So remaining questions are same type of combination of mixed fraction only. So I will do those questions as a homework. Okay. Fourth one is done. Fifth one will be 3 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. Similar type of question. Sixth one. 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Okay. So how to do if the second fraction is a mixed fraction? Again, this is a homework. So this I will do because the second fraction is a mixed fraction. So what you need to do? Write the first fraction as it is. Now convert the second fraction into a mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Convert that. So 1 into 2 is plus 1. Denominator same. Okay. Now write the first fraction as it is. Divided by. So 1 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 2. Now we are converting this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Now this is the division of fraction by a fraction. Now as usual do that. 2 by 5. Convert this operation into a division operation into multiplication operation. Then take the reciprocal of 3 by 2. That is 2 by 3. Correct? Because the reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. You can write that. So 2 2s are denominator 5. 3 is 2 2s are 4. 5 3s are 15. 4 by 15 is the answer. Okay. So if the mixed fraction will be there, convert that mixed fraction into a improper fraction, then the simplified term will become a fraction by a fraction. Then you can continue with the usual method of the division. Okay. So this is sixth one. Seventh one will be again both are improper fraction. 3 1 by 5 division of 1 2 by 3. You can observe here both are improper fraction. Both you need to convert into a both are mixed fraction. Both you need to convert into improper fraction. Then you need to proceed. Right. So 3 5s are plus 1. Correct. 3 5s are plus 1. Denominator 5. So this is done. Division. Then this also you need to convert into a improper fraction. 1 into 3 is plus 2 denominator 3, correct? So 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 will become 16, 16 by 5. Division of, so 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 2 will become 5 by 3, correct? Now this is a division of fraction by a fraction. We will do this. 16 by 5, convert this division operation to multiplication operation, then you should take the reciprocal 3 into 5, correct? So okay. So numerator multiplication. 16 into 3 is denominator 5 into 5. So 16 3 is 40. 48. So 5 5s are 25. So this is 48 by 25. Or otherwise we can convert it to mixed fraction. You can write the answer in mixed fraction also. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. So we have one more question, that is last one. Whenever I have done the homework, you need to do it. Okay? But you need to do it in the book. So one is done. 8 1 is 2 1 by 5 division of 1 1 by 5. Similar type of question again this is a homework for you. Okay? So if you complete this, this will complete the fraction part. Okay? Up to exercise, we have 4 exercises which will belongs to a fraction part. Okay, so till here whatever homework I have given, write all those homeworks in the homework book. So you need to send that homework. I will give you 2 days time to complete that homework. That has to be submitted on the group. Okay, so everyone has to submit it on the group. On the basis of that homework only, we will allot the marks in your future. Okay, so keep it in your mind. Homework has to be completed on time. So I will give you 2 days time. So today will be the Tuesday. So within Thursday you should submit. Everyone has to send the homework in the group. Okay, so keep it in your mind. That has to be completed. That has to be sent to me. Okay. So this will complete the fraction part. Okay. So next we will go for the decimal part. Okay. So even decimal numbers also. Okay. So decimal number also we have studied in the class 6 also. So how to represent the decimal numbers. How to convert the decimal numbers into the fractions, how to convert the fractions into the decimals. Then before that, how to write the place value for the decimal numbers. Then how to write in the standard form decimal numbers. So these things are not we have learned, that is, and then comparing the decimal numbers also. Then we have 2 decimal numbers. How to compare the decimal numbers such that which is greater and which is smaller. So that is also we have learned, and then 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. So how to represent that? Say suppose if I am having 1 by 10. So how to represent this? Is a fraction. This is a fraction. Numerator denominator combination. How to write this fraction in terms of decimals? So since I am having the denominator 10, I can write this as 0.1. 0.1. Then 2 by 10. Is nothing but 0.2. That means I am having a 10 stripes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have one more stripe. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I am having a 10 stripes. So 0.1 will represent 1 out of 10. So this one. 1 out of 10. That is 0.1 represents it represents 1 stripe. So 0.2 in this means it will represent 2 stripes. Right? It will represent 2 stripes. Okay. Again, it is 3 by 10 in the sense it is making it 0.3, 4 by 10, 0.4, 5 by 10, 0.5. Okay. So suppose 50 by 10. Can we able to write 0.50? No, it is 5.0, right? It is 5.0. So, how to remember this? Where we need to put the decimal point? Where we need to put the decimal point when we are having denominator 10? When we are having denominator 10. So, 1 by 10. So, I will take 48 by 10. Let me take 48 by 10. How to write this in terms of decimal form? How to write that? It is not 0.48, it is 4.8. So, how to write that? By default, if I write 4, then where is the decimal point? Where is the decimal point? I'm having a decimal point here. 1 in the sense it's nothing but 1.00. If you write in English, it doesn't mean it's nothing but 1 only, right? If I write 250, that is nothing but 250.00. That is, whenever the last digit ends, by default there will be a decimal point. 1 in the sense it is not a 1, it is nothing but a 1.00. So that we are not saying that, we will say that 1. So that means the decimal point will be there at the after the unit digit. If I write 4,000, 45,000, where is the decimal point? Where is the decimal point? You know the decimal point, right? This is the decimal point. This is the decimal point. Okay, this is fraction. This is decimal part. This is called as the decimal part. Whatever the numbers will be there after the decimal point, that is called as the decimal part. And this is called as whole part. Whole number part. This is whole number part. This is whole part. This is decimal point. Decimal point. This is decimal point. By default, in the number, where it will be the decimal point? By default, it will be there at the last. 45,000 in the sense it is equal 45,000.00. Right? If you see that in the, if you see any bank books, okay, you can observe that they will not write like 45,000, they will write 45,000.00, right? If it is 1 rupees, they won't write like 1.00. If it is 200 rupees, they will write 200.00. You can observe that, right? That means the decimal point will be there at the last, after the unit digit. So 2 in the sense it is not a 2, it is 2.00. 3 in the sense it is not 3, it is 3.00. Similarly, 400 in the sense it is not 400, it is 400.00. That means the decimal point will be there at the after the unit digit. After the unit digit. Similarly, 48 in the sense where is the unit digit? It will be there in 48 here it is. After the unit digit, I am having a decimal point. Okay. If I am adding in the denominator 10, we need to see how many zeros we have. How many zeros I have? I have 1 0, right? That means we should bring the decimal point 1 place left. 1 place left. By default, I am having a decimal point here. So if I bring the decimal point 1 point here, it will be 4.8. That's it. Right? Here also. 1 in the sense is 0, 1, right? Right? 2 in the sense is 0, 2. If I write 1, 0, 1. How many zeros if you want you can write? That doesn't matter. But don't write 0 here. If you want to write zeros here, that will be different from 1. If you write 1 0 10, 2 0 100, 3 0 1000. If you write 0 on the right side, its value changes. If you write the 0 on the left side, this will change the value of 1? No. 1 is also same. 0 1 is also same. 0 0 0 1 is also same. 0 0 0 0 0 1 is also same. If you write zeros before that number, that will not make any changes for the number. If you write zeros after that number, that will changes the number tremendously, right? If you write 0 here, that will become 10, then another 0 100, another 0 1000, 10,000. Keep on going like that. So remember that. So I can write a 0 here, 1 0. If I want another 0, I can write another 0. Okay? So I have a 10. So how many zeros I have? Only 1 0. By default, the decimal point will be there at the last. Okay? So since I'm dividing by 10, I'm having 1 0. I need to bring the decimal point 1 digit left side. So that will become 0.1. Clear? Clear? If it is 48, by default the decimal point at the last. So if I divide by 10, then I need to bring 1 point left side, that is 4.8. Correct? Okay. Let me take 3 digits now. 456 divided by 10. By default decimal point will be there here, right? After the unit digit. So I am having 1 0. That means decimal point will be there. I need to bring 1 digit left side. So here it is. That is 45.6. Right? So 10,001 divided by 10. By default, the decimal point here, I am dividing by 10. So it becomes here. That is 10,000.1. Correct? So that is depends on the denominators. Now that is 1 by 10 is done. Now let me take 100. Let me take 100. So 5 by 100. How to represent in terms of decimal? How to write in decimal form? 5 by 100. So I can write how many zeros I want before that number. How many zeros I can write? Right? That will not change the number. 5 is also same. 005 is also same. Okay. So how many zeros I have? 2 zeros in the denominator, right? So by default the decimal point was the last. Since I am having 2 zero, how many digits I should bring the decimal point left side? 2 digits, right? Since I am having 2 zero. Initially in the 10 I am having only 1 zero. So I will be bringing the decimal point 1 digit left side. Here I am having 2 zero. Since I am having 2 zero, I should bring the decimal point 2 digits left side. So 2 0. By default decimal point will be there here. So 1 2, that is 0.05. Correct? 1 2. So 0.05. Clear? So 445 divided by 100. By default the decimal point here, since I am having 2 0, 1 2, that is 4.45. Correct? Since I am okay, suppose 445,000. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So by default I am having a decimal point here, right? So 1 2 3. So that is 0.445. How it is? You can write 0 before that, right? So decimal point here, 3 zeros, 1 2 3. So 0.445. Right? So this is writing the fraction numbers in terms of decimal form. If the denominator either 10, 100, 1000. Okay. What you will do if the numbers is not there in terms of 10, 100, 1000? Say suppose 4 by 10 like this. I'm sorry, not 4 by 10. 2 by 5. How to represent this in terms of decimal numbers? The one way of representing this in terms of decimal number is normal division. Correct? Dividing 2 by 5, then you need to put the 0, then 0, then like that. So you know that, right? 5. So 5 you can't able to divide it, you should put the 0, then 2. Again, after that you should put the point 0. So 5 4s are 20. 0. 0.4. 0.4. This is the decimal number representation. Is there any other way to write that 0.4 in terms of 2 by